Hello everyone, I welcome you all on YouTube to my channel Physics for You. I am Shruti, a teacher by profession and passion, here to tell you the topics covering 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th CBSE Physics. I hope through my videos I can make physics learning interesting for you. So like, share, subscribe and hit the notification icon. So as in the last class, we saw that these questions are your NCERT in-text questions. So today we are going to solve each one of them. Alright, so let's begin. See the first one. An object has moved through a distance. Can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. Okay, again read the question. An object has moved through a distance. Can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. So we have already seen many examples for these. Yes, so you'll frame your answer as yes, it can have zero displacement if the initial and the final position are same. For example, if an object travels in a circular path, then the displacement will be zero, but it will cover a distance equal to the circumference of the circular path. Is it clear? If that closed path is the square, then perimeter. Is it clear? So same way, since if it is covering a circular path, so it is going along the boundary. It will be traveling around the boundary. So boundary of the circle is the circumference. So that will be the distance traveled. But because the initial and final position will be same, so the displacement will be zero. As we know the definition of displacement. How did we learn? Displacement. Dis means change in placement or position. So here there is no change. So no displacement. Okay. So let's move with the next one. See the second question. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from his initial position? Let us see the answer for this. The magnitude of displacement will be 0. Why it will be 0? Because as the farmer is moving along the boundary of the square field, which is a closed path, so the initial and final position will be the same. Hence the displacement will be 0 at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. Here, since they have specifically asked that what will be the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds, they have specified the time. So you should specify that in your answer for a perfect answer. Is that clear? Okay, let's move to the next one. See the third question. Which of the following is true for displacement? First part, it cannot be 0. So let us answer the first part. It is not true because displacement can be 0 if the initial and the final positions are same. We have already seen it. Okay, so it is not true. What the second part says, its magnitude is greater than the distance traveled by the object. Can this be true? Let us see. This is not true. Why? Because the magnitude of displacement is either equal to or less than the distance traveled. as it is the shortest distance. Do you remember that example where an object had to travel to C from point A? So in one condition, it was traveling from A to B, then from B to C. And in another case, it traveled from A to C. Isn't it? There we found out what? That the shortest distance is the displacement. So if it is the shortest, then how can it be greater than the distance? It can never be greater. It can either be equal or it can be less. Is it clear? So with this, we will finish our distance and displacement. You can read your NCERT book, follow these questions, okay, and try to solve the answer as I have told you. We will proceed with it in our next video. So if you want to see all the videos, if you like my videos, you need to subscribe. There are no subscription charges. It is free. But if you will subscribe, then only you will be able to watch all the videos, as all the videos are not public. Okay? So, if you like it, do subscribe the channel and stay tuned in. Keep learning, happy learning. Let's make physics enjoyable. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. After you subscribe, press on the bell notification so that you do not miss out any upcoming videos. Stay tuned for more such interesting videos. Thank you. See you soon.